Hey queens, and shout out to my kings too. Welcome back to Nabila Rain. I know it's been a good minute, so I just wanted to come on. This is like real timey here. This is me on, what's today's date? March 25th. I'm posting it today. I just wanted to come in real time and just talk to y'all real quick, and then we'll get to the regularly scheduled program. So it's just been a lot going on, like in life in general. So I'll tell y'all all about it coming soon, inshallah. The way that my future videos are gonna go for now is like we're gonna be looking at the past of what has been going on for like the last month or 2 months actually. So this video that you are about to watch is going to be me decluttering my closet. So I have some things up here, things that I may be getting rid of. So definitely stay tuned to see the tips that I have for decluttering your closet. It's springtime. We're in a whole new season, y'all. So it's time to like, clean up your space, clean up your wardrobe, and get rid of all of the excess things that you just don't really need. So that's what this video is all about. And then my future videos will be the process of me moving. So I'm still in my apartment today. Tomorrow, March 26th, we're packing up the U-Haul and we're moving. So you will see like all the behind the scenes and the background of all of that within my coming videos. And then we also have Ramadan right around the corner. So I'm trying to get these videos out to you in a timely fashion so that y'all can get Ramadan content as well. So definitely get ready for the content. And yeah, I appreciate y'all for sticking around and I love y'all so much. Comment down below and let me know what kind of videos you would like to see for Ramadan. I have some ideas in mind. I'm also traveling the first week of Ramadan, so it should be really, really interesting. I'm going to definitely vlog it for you guys, and then I have other video ideas in mind as well, so let me know what y'all want to see. So yeah, let's go ahead and just jump into this video. Hey queens, and shout out to my kings too. Welcome back to Nabila Rain. So I'm currently washing clothes, so it's a little loud. That's why. I'm decluttering / packing. So our lease is up. Basically it's supposed to be up yesterday, but we had to extend it for another month. So I'm just trying to get ahead of things and basically just get things together. I have a lot of clothes for no reason, and I think it's just clothes that have accumulated throughout the years. So basically I'm about to declutter. I'm not gonna even show y'all what this situation is looking like because it's just no reason for it to be looking like this. It's just like a whole bunch of folded clothes on the bed, a lot of hangers. My freaking clothing rack fell in the closet. Like, they're trying to know them wire racks. Not a fan. When we move, I'm gonna try to get like the IKEA pack system. I'll pop it up right here if y'all don't know what I'm talking about. Basically what all the YouTubers have, but it's much more sturdier than these dang racks. This is the third time that this rack has fell and I'm just over it. I'm not gonna even call the landlord. Just get me out of here, okay? So now don't get me wrong, I love this apartment, love, but like it's just like with new construction, well, it's not new construction, but like newly renovated places, it's bound to be something that's gonna go wrong. And there have been a few things that have gone wrong, but for the most part, I really like this apartment. It's like kind of like the apartment of my dreams. So I'm kind of sad to be leaving, but we moving on to bigger and better things, inshallah. So let's go ahead and declutter. So I wanted to show y'all the first thing that I am going to be giving up. That is this yellow dress. There's so much stuff, oh my gosh. So it's this yellow dress right here, and then it has like this. Yeah, this is not really my style anymore, so I think I'm gonna just have to let this one go. A lot of the clothes I think I'm gonna be giving to my cousins in Africa. Since I'm a hijabi, like some of the stuff is like gonna be too hot for them when they're wearing it in Africa. It'd be hot, it'd be baking, y'all. So some of it won't really fit. So I'm not even sure. The material isn't too heavy, but I feel like, I don't know, maybe I'll ask and see what they think. But yeah, so this is gonna have to go. All right, y'all, so my husband just called me, so he's about to go try to look at a table that a lady, like a table set that a lady is selling on Facebook Marketplace. And she still didn't give us the address. We're supposed to meet at 6. It's basically 6. Like, he could have been home by now. But I guess I'll keep y'all updated on how that goes, and I'll show y'all what the table looks like. We're really into like the arch look and like kind of like the curvature of things. That's how our TV console is, and yeah, I just think it would go well together, and it will go well with the color of our new place. But anyways, I really hope y'all can hear me because this dryer is mad loud. So yeah, let me show y'all some other things that I will be decluttering. If you've been following me since I guess last year, I wore this on my birthday last year, and it's basically just an abaya, a lilac color. I'm gonna keep it for now because I want to do a, like, I'm not sure if it's gonna be spring or summer lilac dreams kind of like reel. So I'm gonna keep this for now, but I think I'm gonna let this one go. And then have this dress right here. If you follow me on Instagram, you've seen this before, and I think I posted it on YouTube too. This is from Shein, and yeah, it's cute. Like, it's a cute dress. It goes all the way down to my ankles, like to the ground, which is nice. Past my ankles actually. It fits very well, but this V right here is like throwing me. Like, I always have to like find a way to cover it up, and it's just too much. So I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this one. If anybody wants any of this stuff, like if you know me personally, let me know and I will save it for you. So a little tip that people give is, like, if it doesn't bring you joy, get rid of it. Like, if it no longer fits, get rid of it. If it's just like something that you just have had forever, you just keep it and you don't really like wear it. If you haven't worn it in the last, let's say the last 6 months, if you have not worn this, you probably won't wear it. So you might want to declutter it. So those are just a few tips. Do you love it? Is it too small? And have you worn it in the last 6 months? So if y'all looking to declutter, those are just some tidbits. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this up. I might drive to Philly so I can go get some suitcases from my parents' house. I have it in their basement since we're in the apartment. We don't have a lot of space here. So I might do that at 6. If I go now, I won't be back in probably until like 9 o'clock. So do I really want to do that right now? But I do want to see my parents, so I think I might go. But I'm trying to figure out the things I'm going to declutter so I can take it with me, so it's not just here in the apartment. So yes, I said a lot and I'm going to go now. See y'all later. I'm going to keep all of my abayas, even though I don't be wearing them like that. But don't be like me. Declutter if you don't wear. I'm gonna try to wear these a little bit more. Yeah, I think I have 3 of these, so I'm gonna try to wear them a little bit more. If I don't wear them within the next few months, I don't know, y'all. I just can't. I have trouble getting rid of stuff. Like, seriously, don't be like me, okay? Get rid of the stuff that you don't wear. I freaking love this knit dress. This is from Zara. And I have not worn it all winter because it's been at the back of my closet. I have too much stuff. I can't even see the clothes that I actually like. So I'm definitely going to be keeping this and throwing this back into the rotation. Yeah, it's too much. It's too much stuff. I have these jeans that my husband bought me. They're from H&M, but they are too short. So I don't know. Should I keep them? I guess I could always wear them with boots if I wanted to, but see, that's what I've been talking about, like in my last video, finding jeans that actually fit. If you are 5'6" and up, Nasty Gal jeans seem to fit well. So yeah, H&M for me, Zara, none of those jeans fit. Way too short, y'all. This is the culprit. This is what made my dang rack fall, is all of these scarves on here, and it's so heavy that it just, like, I try to pull this down to get it in, and then the whole rack just came tumbling down. So I'm definitely gonna have to find another system for my scarves because it's just way too heavy. So if you have any ideas, definitely let me know what y'all thinking, because this is convenient though, because you can see all of your scarves. I'll go ahead and link this down below. I got it from Amazon if you're interested, but it does get very, very heavy. And then if you have like those wire racks, it ain't no way. So here is another slip dress that I have, and I'm definitely going to be keeping this. I love these slip dresses. I feel like that this is kind of like a part of my style now. It's just like having a basically this type of shirt on, long sleeve, and then throwing this slip dress right on top of it. So simple, so easy, and yeah, it just works. So I have a whole bunch of slip dresses, and I have some satin skirts inside of that bin. Solid colors. Of course, this has a print on it, but I feel like it's minimal, like it's a minimalistic type of print, so it works. I don't want nothing that's like too busy. So this right here is also a longer dress, and it has, I like the sleeves. It's like so, like, it's like a baby doll type sleeve, so cute. But the print is just, there's a lot going on here. It's a lot happening. So this was one of the dresses that I was unsure about. So comment down below and let me know if you think I should keep the floral dress. So yeah, comment down below, keep the floral dress or don't keep the floral dress. Thanks. And here are some other examples of floral dresses. So this is one. I actually really like this dress, but I don't know if I'm gonna keep it. So another one, floral dress number 2. Keep it or don't keep it. Comment down below and let me know. But then I also have this one. This is a white one, and then it has like this simpler prints on it. So this is much more, I feel like the vibe that I'm going for, much more like simple, sophisticated type of look. As you saw in my last haul, I got things like this, you know, just like very basic, simple, neutral colors. And this is not too far from what I'm going for. So a print is not bad. It's just, how much of a print is it? And I don't know if this one is the vibes, but I do like the actual style of the dress, like the scrunch sleeve, you can see it, and it's like a balloon sleeve. I don't know, y'all. Comment down below and let me know if y'all think that I should keep this or not. I got this from Africa when I went over the past summer. I still have that vlog that I have not posted. I'm still post it whenever I get a chance. I'm still post it. I tried to, but iMovie played me, so I have to edit it all over again. But y'all gonna see that vlog. So anyways, I got this from there. It's super pretty. It's just like an abaya. However, the quality though, sis, look, my hands are literally growing through the dress. So this is obviously not something I'm gonna keep. I don't want to throw it out either, because I feel like somebody can just sew it up and then it'll be fine, but that somebody is not me. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it in that pile over there. This dress right here is a perfect summer / beach dress, and I wear this to the beach, so I'm gonna keep this one. And I also have this dress right here. This is a size extra large. I don't know what was I thinking? It's way too big. I wanted to give like the oversized look just because I wanted it to be more modest. So I got a larger size, but it's honestly just way too big. So yeah, I feel like it could have been fine, but the arms are like too big. So unfortunately, I think I'm gonna have to give this one away to who, I don't know, but it's going in the pile. Okay, so y'all basically get the gist on how I'm choosing whether I'm gonna keep it or if I'm not gonna keep it. Definitely comment down below your opinions on the different pieces that I asked y'all about. But right now, this room is like a freaking tornado hit it. But I'm about to go to my parents' house. I have my stack over there that I'm taking with me, and then I'm gonna, you know, go say hi to them and go pick up some of the suitcases. I think I have maybe like 3 that I can get. Hopefully they don't have anything inside of them, because that's gonna be really annoying. But I'm about to go, so I will talk to y'all later.